Moral story. This story is all about the honest little squirrel. One day, Sam the squirrel found a shiny gold coin lying under a big oak tree. He was very excited and wanted to keep it for himself. But then he remembered his friend Mia, who had lost her coin the day before. Instead of keeping the coin, Sam decided to return it to Mia. She was so happy and thanked him with a big smile. Moral of the story: honesty brings happiness and trust. Keywords from story: shiny, bright with the rays of the sun; lying, to be in a horizontal resting position; excited, it makes you feel very happy or eager; remembered, to bring an image or idea from the past into the mind; decided, to come or cause to come in a conclusion. Opposites from story: day, night; big, small; find, lost; before, after; happy, sad; key, loose. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again with another story. Till then, take care.